Let me give you a brief introduction of Miyawaki plantation. Miyawaki is a technique pioneered by Japanese botanist Akira Miyawaki that helps build dense native forests in a short time. It has revolutionized the concept of urban afforestation by turning backyards into mini forests. The Miyawaki method is a Japanese technique for creating dense native forests in a short amount of time and in limited spaces. It involves planting a variety of native tree species close together, which leads to rapid growth and a self-sustaining forest ecosystem. The method is known for creating forests that are 10 times faster and 30 times denser than conventional methods. This method includes planting trees as close as possible in the same area, which not only saves space, but the planted saplings also support each other in growth and block sunlight reaching the ground, thereby preventing the growth of weeds. The saplings become maintenance-free, that is self-sustainable, after the first 3 years. The approach is supposed to ensure that plant growth is 10 times faster and the resulting plantation is 30 times denser than usual. Miyawaki method helps to create a forest in just 20 to 30 years, while through conventional method, it takes anywhere between 200 to 300 years. The native trees of the region are identified and divided into 4 layers: shrub, subtree, tree and canopy. The quality of soil is analyzed and biomass, which would help enhance the pulpification process, water retention capacity and nutrients in it, is mixed with it. A mound is built with the soil and the seeds are planted at very high density, 3 to 5 saplings per square meter. The ground is covered with thick layer of mulch. Now the steps are a little bit of introduction about this project which has come to this position today. It was on 7th of August, we had the phase 1, that is the informative sharing of the information with our Eco Club students. That day, since we were closing for the holidays, we requested our students to collect the biomass degradable from their homes and bring it in cloth bags or paper bags as we are going towards sustainable development. We requested the students to drink nariyal pani at home along with their families so that they can collect the coconut shell from homes. And they did it. These are our Eco Club students from Standard 6 to Standard 9. A brief introduction of our Eco Club. As you all must be knowing or may not be knowing, our Assistant Regional Officer had been the principal of Sector 6 few years back, and it is his main child, the Eco Club, who stands. The sapling which he sowed at that time has now flourished as a big tree, and I am here to take care of that tree which he planted, a short sapling. So thanks to you, sir, that you initiated it, and we will try to carry it ahead. So on 7th of August, it was the phase 1, and students started collecting the biomass from homes and they deposited it. Then the non-teaching staff had a pit of 9 by 12 pit because it was our idea that we will plant around 50 plants. So it needed 9 by pit of the area, which was dug 2 feet depth, and then it was layered with the biomass, then the coconut shells, and then again the layer of soil. So that plot is now ready with the work of the non-teaching, teaching and the Eco Club students. And today we are here for the final plantation, that is the Miyawaki plantation. And so this is the layout of the plantation which we are going to have. And I would also like to add that the saplings, the plants, the trees which are here are all donated either by the Sector 6 residents, since I already told you that it's a community outreach program, or by our students. So again,
से 4 पौधों हम लोग डालेंगे, कहीं 3 डालेंगे, कहीं 4 डालेंगे, कहीं 5 डालेंगे। अब आप किसी भी पौधे का जड़ का जो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर रहता है सर, वो अलग रहता है। और जब बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर अलग रहेगा तो कार्बन का जो सेल रहेगा, कार्बन जिससे वो बना है सेल वॉल, वो अलग रहेगा। और जैसे ही सेल वॉल अलग रहेगा, उसमें डिफरेंट तरह का बैक्टीरिया होस्ट करेगा। अब आपके पास दो रास्ता था, एक पौधा को यहाँ डालिए, एक को 5 डालिए। तो अभी अगर इनका 50 पौधा लग रहा है तो 250 फीट का लंबाई हो जाता। अब आप पौधा में पानी दीजिए, घेरा दीजिए, जो भी दीजिए, तो 2.5 फीट से दौड़िए। व्हाट वी डिड, चूंकि पौधा नजदीक है तो एक का जड़ का जो बैक्टीरिया डिकम्पोज करेगा, दैट इज अवेलेबल फॉर अदर। दूसरा का तीसरे के लिए रहेगा, तीसरा का चौथे के लिए, बिकॉज हर जड़ अलग, हर जड़ में बैक्टीरिया अलग और हर मिनरल का एक्सट्रैक्शन अलग। जिंक कोई और करेगा, सिलिकॉन कोई और करेगा, फास्फोरस कोई और करेगा, नाइट्रोजन कोई और करेगा। तो
I remember the days of 2023 when we discussed in brief. Sir, do you remember the days? And during that time we have already constituted the Eco Club in Sector 6, and with the help of AKC Consultants we have already planted the papaya plant in the campus. And I am very proud and happy to see that today's initiative of Madam Anuradha Singh, who is very active, sincere, and always think about the betterment of the school. And again, on the behalf of our school, we congratulate the teachers, Eco Club members, and especially the convener of the Eco Club, teachers, and we hope that this small initiative will come out with great enthusiasm in future also, because success is not a matter of luck or even of genius. It invariably follows hard and imaginative toil, and we hope that this imaginative toil will come with the result tomorrow, and this school will come always at the level top